Hello dear students, welcome to my channel Maths Olympiad Tutor. So today we are solving set A for class 2 year 23 paper for Maths Olympiad. So although the answer key is not yet released, still we are solving the paper. It will help you to get the idea of how we should solve the paper. So question 1, this is the logical reasoning section, the first section of Maths Olympiad, that is logical reasoning. The question 1 says, if this crayon is related somehow to this drawing book, then in the same way this paintbrush related to what? So with crayon we draw in the drawing book, similarly with paintbrush we paint on the wall. So option B we should select. Question 2 is a pattern question. Now we have to study the given patterns carefully, and then the question is, what will be the number of wristwatches in pattern 5? Till pattern 3 it is given. Pattern 1 is there, 2 is there, and 3 is there. We need to find the number of watches that would be in pattern 5. Pattern 1 we can see how many wristwatches are there? 5. Pattern 2, 10 watches. Pattern 3, 15 watches. So here the pattern, the number of watches in pattern is going like 5, 10, 15. So it is a table of 5. So for pattern 5 it would be 5 multiplied by 5, that is 5 5s, which is 25. So we should select C. Then it is question 3. Question 3 says there are dash different possible ways for the squirrel. Squirrel is here to reach the peanuts. Now only we need to find the different possible ways here. So squirrel will go to the peanuts in this way. It can also choose this way, and it can also choose this way. So in all, as we can see, there are 3 different possible ways. So we should select option A, that is 3. Question 4 is dash groups of 4 laddus each can be formed using the given laddus. So what we have to do, only we have to do the grouping part, that is we have to form the groups of 4 laddus. So 1 2 3 4 laddus, 1 2 3 4 again, similarly here. And so how many groups we have formed? This is first group, second group, third group, and fourth group. So in total 4 groups of 4 laddus each. So this was a question which involves grouping, so we should select option B. Question 5 says ship dash is second to the right of third ship from the left end. So we have to find which ship would be second to the right of the third ship from the left end. It is mentioned here it is right end, so this should be left end. This is our left end. So now it says we have to find third ship from the left end, which is 1 2 3. This U ship is the third ship to the from the left end. Now it says second to the right of this ship, second to the right of this ship. So it is first ship to the right, and this is second ship to the right. So here the ship K should be our answer like this. Ship K is second. Now we can mention here K, and then we can read the statement and we can see is it satisfies or not. Ship K is second to the right of third ship from the left end. So now we can check from left end the third ship is U, and ship K is second to its right. So we should select option D, that is ship K. Question 6 is select the odd one out. This is very easy question. All this A, B and D are flowers, only C is a vegetable, so we'll select this. Question 7 is if this cobbler is carpenter, carpenter is called teacher, teacher is called chef, then who repairs our shoes? So cobbler as such repairs our shoes, but cobbler is called carpenter, so we should select this. Question 8 is the time shown in the given clock is. Now it shows the time as 5:10, 5 o'clock and then 10 minutes. So from this 12 to 6 we use the word past to tell the time. The word past is used from this 12. When minute hand is at 12 till it reaches to 6, we use the word past. So it is 10 minutes because the minute hand is at 2. This means 10 minutes have passed. So 10 minutes past 5 is the time which is being shown in the given clock. So we should select C here. Question 9 is which of the following shapes is not present? Only we have to pick the shape which is not there. So we can easily observe the shape circle is not there in the given figure. So we should select this. Now question 10 is we have to find the missing number if there is a certain rule, either row wise or column wise. Rule could be row wise, rule could be column wise. We have to check. Like here, if we carefully observe these rows, we can observe 5 plus 9. Addition of these two numbers will give us a middle number, that is 14. 7 plus 4. Addition of these two extreme numbers will give us a middle number 11. Similarly, 3 plus 5 will give us 8 here. So we should select option D, that is 8. Question 11 is in the number 679, the place value of digit 7. Only we have to find the place value of digit 7. Digit 7 is at the tens place. So the place value is 70, which is here. Question 12 is how many total number of triangles and circles are there in the given figure? So triangles we have to count 1, then second 2, 3 triangles. So triangles are 3. Then circles 1, 2 and 3 circles. So total is 3 plus 3, that is 6. So we should select this. Now this is a pictograph question from 13 to 14. These two questions are pictograph based. A pictograph is given to us which says there are 5 kids and number of cherries they are plucking. So the pictures of cherries are there and the information given to us is each cherry here stands for 3 cherries. So for example, like Raj, 2 pictures of cherries are there. So it is for this particular picture it stands for 3 cherries. This picture also stands for 3 cherries. So in total Raj has plucked 6 cherries. Like this we have to read the pictograph. Now the question 13 is how many more cherries were plucked by Vansh than Tarun? So we have to compare the cherries that were plucked by Vansh and Tarun. So this is Vansh here and Tarun here. Vansh, how many cherries Vansh is plucking? It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 multiplied by 3. 6 threes are 18 cherries. And Tarun, 4 pictures are there for cherries here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 multiplied by 3, that is 12. So how many more cherries Vansh is plucking is 18 minus 12. That will give us 6. So it is 6. We should select this. Question 14 is how many cherries were plucked by Rohit, Shivam and Raj together? So Rohit, Shivam and Raj. These we have to add. For Rohit, the number of cherries are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiplied by 3. 5 multiplied by this 3, which gives us 15 here. Shivam is 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. And Raj we have already calculated 6. 15 plus 9 plus 6, that is in total 30. 15 plus 9 plus 6, 30 cherries together. So we should select this. Okay, question 15 is there is a clock which is 20 minutes slow. The time that is showing is 20 minutes slow. We need to find the actual time. If it is showing 7:30, if 7:30 AM is the time being shown in the watch and the watch is 20 minutes slow, so this means the actual time should be 7:50 AM, 20 minutes more than this. It is showing 7:30 but it is slow, 20 minutes slow. So to get the actual time we need to add 20 minutes into it to get the actual time. So it would be 7:50 AM. That is option A. So we should select this. Question 16 is 20 degree more than the temperature shown in the given thermometer is. Now the given thermometer is showing the temperature as it is between 50 and 60. The temperature being shown here is between 50 and 60. So if you carefully observe, it is 54 degree. So 20 degree more than that would be 54 degree plus 20 degree. So that would be 74 degrees Celsius. So we have to select this. Yes, question 17. It says select the correct option. Only we have to check the options and pick the correct one. Option A is 361 plus 200. So if we add these two, we'll be getting 561, not 461. So it is incorrect. We cannot select this. B is 500 plus 0 is not 0. It is 500. Again, it is incorrect. C C is 900 minus 400 is equal to 500. That is correct. So we should select C. And D also we should check. 650 minus 150. So that is not 400. We cannot select this. This is an incorrect answer here. That is 500, not 400. So we should not select this. So we should select option C. That is 900 minus 400 is equals to 500. Question 18 is compare and fill the box. Now there are two sides here, left hand side and right hand side. Only we have to compare, and then we should know what sign we could put in the box. It says 5 liters more than 85 liters. So 85 liters plus 5 liters will give us 90 liters. So our left hand side is 90 liters here, and right hand side is 3 liter less than 82 liters. So 82 minus 3 will give us 79 liters. So 90 liters is more than 79 liters. We need to put this sign, greater than sign, which is option B here. We should select this. Question 19 is Karthik has 150 rupees. He gave this much, that is 20 plus 20, that is 40 rupees to his sister. So what amount is left with him? So 150 minus 40. 150 he had, 40 he has given to sister. So the amount left with Karthik is 150 minus 40, that is 110 rupees, which is being shown here. 50 plus 50 is 100 plus 10, 110. So we should select this. Question 20 is 8 tens less than the number shown on the given abacus is. So the given abacus shows the number here 3 in hundreds spike and 6 here in tens, and once it is 5. So the number here is 365. It says 8 tens less than this number. 8 tens is 80. So the required number is 365 minus 80, which is 285, which is option A here. We should select this. Okay. Next question is from the section Everyday Mathematics. It says Sonia left her office for home at the time shown in the given clock. Sonia is leaving the office for home at this particular time. Now she is waiting for 20 minutes for the cab. So this means till 6:20 here. When the minute hand reaches 6:20, she is waiting for the cab. Now her cab journey was 45 minutes long. So at what time did she reach home? So at 6:20 she boarded the cab, and then for 45 minutes she was in the cab. So the question is, at what time did she reach home? So 6:20 plus 45 minutes, that is 7 o'clock and 5 minutes. 7:5 this. So we should select this. This is like 6:20 she boarded in the cab plus 45 minutes she was in the cab. The journey was for 45 minutes. So 6:20 plus 45 minutes. This is minutes. This will be adding. So we'll get 665. So we have to change this. 60 minutes we will shift to here. 60 minutes equal to 1 hour. So it will 1 hour would be added here to 6. It will become 7, and 5 minutes are left in the minutes section here. So it would be 7:5 like this. So option C we should select. Question 22 is Mehak has 228 roses. She bought 312 more roses. How many roses does she have now? So 220 she already had. She is buying 312 more. So how many roses in total? Only we have to add. So if we add these two numbers, we'll get 540, which is option D. We should select this. Then there is Manish and Rohan had a total of 28 chocolates. If they share the chocolates equally, how many chocolates would each have? Each means every one of them. Manish and Rohan. How many chocolates Manish will have and how many chocolates Rohan will have? So in all 28 chocolates they have. So 28 divided by 2. That is 14 with Manish and 14 with Rohan. So equally they'll share 14 and 14 chocolates like this. So 14 is here in option A. We should select this. 24th is Kirti bought 2 baskets of grapes as shown here. Find the total amount paid by her. So the cost of one basket is 95 rupees. She is buying 2 baskets, so she has to pay for both the baskets. 95 rupees for first basket and 95 rupees for the second basket. So in total she has to pay 95 plus 95, that is 190 rupees she has to pay. So this means here we should select this. 25th question is, Priya has some stickers. There are dash triangles in the stickers together. We have to count the number of triangles here. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this bigger one here 8. So in all 8 triangles. These we cannot count because these are curves. So we cannot count this. So in all 8 triangles. So we should select this. Now 26 is, Nakul bought 525 t-shirts. Only we have to find which of the following shows a number of t-shirts. This is in the number name. Only we have to pick the number for this. 525, which is here. So we'll select option B. Arun's cat. Question 27 is, Arun's cat drink this much, 250 milliliter of milk on Monday, 320 milliliter of milk on Tuesday. How much did the cat drink in these 2 days? So we have to find how much milk the cat is drinking in 2 days. So this means the question wants us to add the two quantities, 250 and 320. So if we add both these quantities, we'll get the total as 570 ml, which is here. So we select option D. Next question is, Neeraj reached Shimla on Friday and observed temperature was 15 degree. On the next day, it was 5 degrees Celsius. So difference between the temperatures. The first day temperature was 15 degree. Second day it was 5 degree. So the difference here is 15 minus 5, that is 10. So we should select this. Mrs. Malhotra, question 29, needs 765 cupcakes to distribute. She has this much, 553. How many more she needs? How many more cupcakes she must buy? She needs 765 in all, but she has only this, 553. So how many more she needs? 765 minus 553 is needed by Mrs. Malhotra, which the difference here is 212, which is here. We should select this. And 30th question is, the weight of Rashi is 54 kg and the weight of her brother is 5 kg more than the Rashi's weight. We have to find total weight. Rashi's weight is 54 kg, weight of her brother is 5 kg more. So the weight of her brother is 54 plus 5, that is 59 kgs. So total weight of Rashi and her brother. Rashi brother 59 kgs, Rashi 54 kg. Total is, we have to add these two weights, which is 113 kg, option B. Okay, this achievers section we'll be solving in the next video. Okay, so please do subscribe the channel for more such useful videos. We'll meet in next video. Take care.